Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to talk about the Python. Okay, Python, which is a best programming language in the world. Okay, so I am put this link in my video description. You go and watch them. Okay, so all the practicals lesson. Okay, so first you have to talk about the basic mathematical operators. Okay, there you can see the essential Python concept. Okay, these are very important stuff while you are the Python learners. Okay, so you can cite the basic operator. So you can type. Here I already installed my Python Jupyter. Okay, if you don't know how to install the Python Jupyter, I already have a video. I will be attach my video description. You just follow up the steps to install them. It's very easy to manage the Python codes rather than we have to install the PyCharm. It's very simple. So here you write the print. You can write hello. Executed hello will be displayed. Now I'm going to write print 3 plus 2. If you run it, answer will be 5. Now here you can go over here. Here you have another one is this one should be the 2 to the power 2. What's the meaning of 2 to the power 2? Okay, so here this one should be the multiplication. 3. You can write in PyCharm simply like this way. Instead of writing print. Okay, in PyCharm, sorry, Jupyter, its answer will be work. You no need to write print. Okay, so in PyCharm you can't write like this. PyCharm meter you have to write like this. Okay, so you have to write, you can check like this. Now here I'm going to write here 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. How to write like this? 3 to the power mean it's nothing but like this 3 to the power is nothing but 3 to the power 2. So how to write like this? So you write like this here in Python. Simply you write like this: 3 into 2. Answer will be 9. 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. Answer will be 9. Okay, if you want to do the thing is 3 to the power 4. What will be the answer? 3 to the power 4. What will be the answer? 3 to the power 4. 81 will be the answer. Okay, so here write like this. Otherwise we have another keyword which is you can go through here. The same thing here you can write like this: a power, which is nothing but power. Okay, the same thing you have to power. There is a function called power. This function also you have to write like this. So the same thing you have to write like this here: print power. You just write print. You have to write power. There is a keyword called power. You have to write like this: 3, comma 2. The same answer will be 9. The same thing, instead of rather than putting like this, you have to use it the keyword in front of this calculation part, pow. It should work. The same calculation, same answer will be displayed. The same thing, just copy this and paste it over here. You have to write like this: 4. The answer will be 89. Okay, the same thing. Here you have to write like this, the simple. 3 to the power 4 mean you write 3 to the power 4. Simple. Okay, you have to the thing is very must. Okay, when you go for the Python developer, this is very must. These are the things regularly asking for the exam. What is the meaning of the 3 to the power 2? Or if you want to write 2 to the power 4 to the power 2, what the answer? 69. 4 to the power 4, what the answer? Okay, so you have to remember these things. This is very simple stuff. Okay, this is very must. These things you have to must learn when you go along with the Python developers. This is very must. So now I'm going to go to my another thing, which is a divide in Python. So this is all the divide operators. Okay, this is a modular. Okay, so this one divided, we have to put this one 2 times. So let's see the answer. You write print, you can write print. Okay, it's not right print, that also applicable. So we have to write 2. What will be the answer? 2.5. Okay, alternately we can write like this. What happened? Alternative this way, what happened? It's 2. What happened? If you write like this, it not take this dot, the decimal points, the point, it will be get rid of the points values. Okay, get rid of the point values, only take the, it's first you have to check the 5, how much time 2 goes to the 5, 2 times it will be displayed. Okay, it's not going to take the decimal values. Okay, get rid of this, get that points values, cut off the point values, that only the 2 will be displayed. Okay, this is the meaning of, this is the difference between 2's. Okay, I hope you can understand that. After that we have tried the module operator. Modular, what about module? 5 reminder 2. What happened the answer? The remainder will be displayed. The remainder is 1. 2 goes to 5 2 times. 1 will be the remainder, it will be displayed. Okay, this one only the remainder. This one should be the, if we divided the 5. You can divide it 5 in 2, it goes 2 times. Again here 5. Okay, 2, 4, we have 5. Okay, this one divide. This is the modular. What is the remaining values of 1? So there is a difference between modular and the remind. This is the value. Okay, 2 goes 2 times for 5. Remaining will be 1. Remaining value will be displayed. Here it will be divided. 2 divided 5. 2.5 will be the answer. Here the full answer will be displayed. Here it will be get rid of this 5. 2 only remaining. After that, relational operator. Relational operator means it will be check it whether the 2 is the value is greater than or not. The value is greater than or not. Okay, you have to type this all the things. Okay, you have to just copy this. Copy this. You have to paste it over here. So here, run on it. True. 45 is greater than 20. Answer will be true. Okay. So always 45 is greater than 20. Okay, if you check at the hand, if you less than 45 is greater than 120, what will be the answer? It will be false. It's not greater than 120. I hope you can understand the relation operator. It will be check. These all things are must when you go for developing the software. Okay, the equal into 23 is equal into 24. It's false because it's never equal into 24. Okay, you can check it this one. Okay, you have to write and check it. Just if I all the things I'm trying to write and check it, it takes some time to complete it. So here you have to write 23 is equal into 24. The condition will be false. Okay, I hope you can understand the things here. Now you can check the this one. Print 30 less than or equal 32. So what are the things? 30 is not less than or equals 32. Okay, 32 is not less than or equal to 30. The answer will be 2. After that, 24 not equal 45. The 24 is never equal to 45. Answer is 2. So let's copy this. Here is 2. Logical operator. So that here you can check logical operator. You can check either this condition or this condition. If the this condition failure, this condition is this both condition are true will be work. Okay, so you can see this must be true, this must be true. Then only the answer is true. Okay, so here this one should be if this one correct and other hand this is not correct, answer will be false. Okay, you have to check this and you have to check other hand this. So uh, it may correct, it may not correct. What happens is false. And mean this and this both are correct. The answer will be displayed as false. True. One is correct, it will be false. So here this one or operator, it correct either this or this. At least one statement is correct, it will be true. Okay, if both will be false, only it will be displayed as false. Or mean this or this. Either one correct, it will be the answer is true. Or this one not 3. Not 3 mean 3 is not equal to 4. It's true. Okay, let's check it this one. Let's check this one. So that is it over here. Answer will be true. So false it is here. False. Okay, you will be able to, you can see the answers. Primitive data types, you can see the int or fault or str, st, this one you can check this one type, this one copy this, you can paste it over here. Here what is the meaning of type mean? If it is 2, what is the data type? The appropriate data type will be displayed. If it is 2, the appropriate database will be int. If it is pointing value, if you imagine if you have display the 10.5, there will be the fault will be the value. So it is the fault is based on the what is the type? It's a decimal. Okay, so if you write like this here, decimal or double. Okay, so here type here is float. The float. Okay, it automatically take the type. So we have write whether we have write like this here, shallow, whatever it is. STR. STR means it is based on string. Okay, right? So after the values, so here you have write int is true. If it's int, it's 2 means it's true. Fault, this one will be fault. Okay, so this one should be int. This also checking values whether this values belongs to int. This values belongs to false. Fault. This belongs to int. These all the things are checking. You copy and check it. False. It's false. It's getting false because this is a pointing value, so it will be false. So it will be get rid of these lines, and now we check it. Now it's is intents mean it will be checking. It has been it is checking. This function is checking whether it is this value is based on int or not. This function is checking whether the 3 is based on int or not. Int means it is the data type must be correct or not. It is check whether the data type must be correct or not. If it is correct, true has been displayed. If it is not correct, false has been displayed. Okay, this is a simple way to we have to implement it. Very simple. Everything is very easy. Okay, so we have to go to the things. Okay, that's how we have to do it. So you have to all the things are you have to check it one by one. So you have to get the idea. After the casting, that's the important stuff. Casting. Here you have to cast 3. You have to write like this: a cast 3. Here 3 fault mean it is if it is put in, if you are write whatever values in fault pointing values, it only take this. If you put in, it is take only this 3. Okay, if it is false, if whatever value you are 3, it is calculated the value as fault floating values. If it is 3, it automatically take the dot point values 0. If it is put 55, we have put int. This is the if you write the values inside the double quotation mark, it is a string. It only take like this. Okay, so let's check on this one. its answer will be 3. Simple. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, very simple. It's very simple. Okay, so it's very simple.